Okay, assignment G. Again, these are numbers of individual successes. Ooh, I see a trick question right off here. Notice how this does not start at 0, so and it doesn't end at 9 when there's 9 individuals available. So we're just only finding partial of the list here, but it's the stuff that we have been doing for a bit. So let's go ahead and set up this first problem. Let's identify all the different things. So the total number of things is 9 individuals. That means the number of successes is 0, 1, 2, all the way up to the number 9. That's what I'm going to be putting in my list 1. The probability of success in this situation is 61%. Failure would be 39%. Again, that adds up to the number 1. The formula that I'm using is the probability of a certain number of successes is NCR, P to the R, Q to the N minus R. I have to put that in my own parentheses, but that is what I'm doing. So I am going to go ahead and put these into my calculator and start figuring out some of these answers. Again, this is not a complete list. All right, so we go. There's stuff already in here, so let's get rid of it. So we have, again, don't follow this, follow your own list. So we got 0. Missed one. Okay. And so we can go to our main calculator and do these calculations. So N, C, R times P to the R times Q to the N minus R. Individual probabilities right there. What I do with those is I take that list answer and I store it as list 3. Ooh, not comma. Store it as list 3. Okay, the first one wants individual probabilities of these guys right here. So let's go ahead. Here's the probability of 3 right there. So this is where we start. Okay, again, take a look at that bottom number, not the highlighted number. Probability that at least 7. So because there are 9 things, it'd be 7, 8, and 9. I already have the 7 and 8 written. I don't have the 9, so let's look that up. 9 is 0, 1, 1, 7. Probability that no more than 4. All right, so here's the concept. If I want no more than 4, that means I want 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I do not want 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. So right now, in the above calculation, I figured out what 7 through 9 is, but I don't want 5 to 9. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put this 5 and 6 onto that total and then subtract it off from 100%. So I'm going to take off this. So I'm going to put on 5 and 6 and then take it away from 1. So I'm going to take 100%. I'm going to put probabilities 5 and 6 onto this probability that R is greater than or equal to 7. Total number is 7. The number of successes would be 0, 1, 2, 7. Probability of success is 56. Failure will be 44. Probability that formula that I'm using is NCR, PTR, I have to put that into parentheses. Oops. Wrong button. Okay, probability all 7. And look at the bottom number, don't look at the highlighted number. At least 5. only one. No more than 4. See what I have? Oh, shoot. So again, the possibilities are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I want no more than 4. That means I don't want 5, 6, and 7, which is exactly the answer that I got right above. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 100% and minus what I don't want.